0 to Professional English Course, a creation of Habib Riyaz.
Role play for English speaking and understanding.
Role Play-14, discussion at the vegetable shop.
Sham feels hungry. He just asked his brother Radhe if he can give him anything to eat. The discussion goes as follows.
Brother, I am very hungry. Do you have anything to eat?
I am sorry, I do not have anything to eat.
What to do now? I am really very hungry.
Let's go to the market and buy some vegetables, and then we will cook them, and then we will eat.
Yes, that's good. By the way, where is the vegetable shop here?
Not far from here, just near here, just about 2 kilometers from here.
Okay, then let's go.
Yes, sure.
Both reach the shop and they talk with the shopkeeper as follows.
Hello, sir. How are you doing?
Hi, I am good. How may I help you?
We have to buy some vegetables.
Yes, tell me what kinds of vegetables you want to buy.
Let me see what vegetables are there in your shop.
Yeah, sure. See, there are tomato, potato, green chili, lady's finger, lemon, and other things. Here you will find everything.
That is great.
Now tell me what you want to buy.
I want potato, chili, radish, and carrot.
Okay, I weigh for you right now. Tell me how much and what do you want?
Give me 2 kilos of potatoes, 250 grams of chili, half a kilo of radish and 2 kilo carrot, and 5 pieces of lemons.
Okay, anything else?
And yes, give me a kilo of cucumber and please give me fresh vegetables.
Dear, please do not worry about the quality. You will find everything fresh here.
See, this lemon is bad. Give me from that basket.
No, it's not bad. There's a simple stain on it. But no matter. I'll give you from that basket itself, don't worry.
Okay, thank you.
Do you need anything else?
No, that's enough for today.
Okay. Now open your bag, I will put it all.
Here you go. Okay, tell me how much this cost in total.
Total is 295 INR, but give me 290 INR only.
Okay, thank you.
No problem. Please do visit us again.
For a better experience of the course, you should buy our book, Golden English, Intermediate Level 2, 0 to Professional English Guide, a golden gift for English learners.
What is inside the book?
This book is very beneficial for intermediate level students. It contains part of speech, auxiliary verbs or modals, some additional structure of English sentences, 20 stories for Urdu to English practice, direct and indirect, 20 lessons for English text reading and understanding, 35 lessons for English speaking practice, and many more things.
I am sure that my book, Golden English, would be a perfect need for English learners, as this will serve as a complete guide to improve their English skills, starting from zero knowledge to advanced levels. Especially translation, English text understanding, and speaking skills, whether starting from zero knowledge to advanced levels. Error is human nature, so if you notice any mistakes in the book, please do not hesitate to inform me. I would be grateful for this act of kindness.
If you like, you may share this course with your friends and relatives.
To stay updated about our courses and opportunities, please follow us on the links given below in the description.